Hey there, I'm Ashley from Worldwide Steel Buildings. Thanks for getting in touch with us about our barndominiums. Here at Worldwide Steel, we've been turning people's dreams into reality for over 40 years, and we're excited to partner with you to build the barndominium of your dreams. With customizable designs, fast construction, and unbeatable durability, our barndominium kits offer the ideal blend of comfort and functionality. One of our building consultants will reach out to you shortly to answer any questions you may have. In the meantime, I hope you enjoy the barndominium guide I attached to this email. You'll find everything you need to know about the benefits of choosing a Worldwide Steel barndominium, along with design inspiration and helpful tips to get you started on your journey. Thanks again for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. We look forward to helping create your perfect barndominium.